Checking our
You have your morning work face up. You should be looking at yours. Because I'm coming around to look at yours too. To see if we all got the same answer.
good. No, is that a 6 or a 9?
Yes. Okay. Where are you? Get out your morning work face. Yeah, you had it. Okay. Good job. I see a lot of people have the same answer.
Really?
Yes. Okay. So watch what he's doing. Try to see if you did it the same way. So his answer was 2,000. Okay, it's
What?
so he has 2,389. Does anyone agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Yeah. Okay. It's a simple agree or disagree. There's no extra commentary. Yeah, it's becoming very picky where you have to be flat completely on the surface. Otherwise it turns into a pen. Yep, now try it again. Just push against it. There you go. It's a very cranky thing.
It's a means dumb board again.
No. It's very sensitive. Okay, so let's work through it together. Okay. 7 minus 8. What am I gonna do, Alex?
You're gonna need one from the 4.
Okay, so what do I do now? Alex?
You turn that 4 into a 3.
Okay.
And give 1 to a 7.
So now I have 17 minus 8. Trinity, what is that? 17 minus 8.
9.
Okay. Let's see. Yaslin, I've got 3 minus 5. Can I do it? So what do I do, hon? So now what do I do? Borrow again. Ah, okay. So now what do I do? Okay. Okay. 13. Okay. Emma, so what's 13 minus 5? Okay. Brielle, 9 minus 7?
2.
And 5 minus 2?
3. Yes.
Okay. 3,289. Do we agree with that one?
Agree.
Okay. Going on to the next problem. You come on. Carter. Oh, okay. I'll remind me here. Carter, that's you. Okay. I didn't think about that. Leo, you want to do this one? This one?
Oh my goodness. The second one. Oh, I wanted the second one.
John Parker, because you're sitting not crying. Come on. You're not. Just if you just raise your hand and don't explode, I'll call on you. Just don't explode. We cannot have exploding worlds for the day. Cameron, computer's not plugged in with the cord. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, so he's got 8,785 minus 5,748. I think this works better when they're typed up there. I'm very excited. You guys aren't, but I am. Okay, so I'm gonna go see who I've got the same answer. You guys are very good at subtraction.
Is that
You guys have had a lot of practice.
Trust me a lot.
Well, it's good. Okay, so he got 3,037. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Okay, Leo. Just leave it up there, hon. That's fine. Leo's going to do the third one. 2,000. You guys okay? 488 minus 544. It's okay. Good. Very good. Leo's got 1,944. Agree or disagree? Agree. Good job. Oh, it's okay. Carter, come on up and do yours. 8,171. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, we're not going to erase. No, no. It's okay. It's okay. I have got to do them all. So it's Carter's turn. 8,171 minus 1,788. Make sure you're checking yours. No, I think I looked at this one. Some of you are off in a couple of your digits, so make sure you're doing the borrowing correctly. Because if you accidentally borrow incorrectly, you're going to be off by 1. So always double check. Nothing. You said that. It's not something we need to announce. It happens. You should be watching and working on math. Okay, so we're watching Carter. Okay, so he's got 6,383. Agree or disagree? Agree. Very good. We're going up there for the middle one. 9,005 minus 3,170. Other Luke, you can do the other one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, go ahead.
What was that?
Lana. Okay, so he got 5,835. Agree or disagree? Agree. Very good. Other Luke, it's your turn. Luke's got this bottom problem. So this is the last one on this half the page. I like this one.
That's the one I wanted to do. I wanted to do that. Yeah, wrong.
Okay, give him your attention, please. When you're at the board, you would like people to pay attention to you.
Oh.
Let him answer. He's got it. 3,333.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good job. So we have one page left to check. And there's going to be 6 problems on that. So give me 1 second to erase. Let's see. Who'd like to do the first one? Yaslin, do the first one. Jonna, do the second one. Cameron, do the third one. And then I'll do the bottom row here in a second. So let's switch slides. Okay. Okay, well I gave the top 3 away. And then after those 3, we'll do the bottom 3. So Yasemin's got the first one, 6,447 minus 2,478. Some of you should be checking yours as she's doing hers. Just to make sure you've got the same thing. Or make sure there's no mistakes that have been made in the world. Mistakes are made, and it's okay. Okay, she got 3,669. Agree or disagree?
Agree. I was good. 9.
Why don't we redo this one as a class to be safe?
She's correct. No, she's not. She's right.
Okay, Yaslin, 7 minus 8. Can I do it? So Yaslin, what do I do? Okay, so this 4 becomes a, and this becomes a 17. Leo, 17 minus 8?
9.
Good job. Okay, Lena, can I take 3 minus 7? So what do I have to do? So now what?
3.
What, Lena? Okay, so now I have 13 minus 7, Alex. 13 minus 7?
13 minus 7 is 7. No, it's not. It's 6.
Okay,
Huh?
Decario, 3 minus 4. Can I do it? If I have 3, can I take away 4?
Nope. Take away 4 and 3. Wait. No.
Okay, so what do I need to do?
Pop it. Pop it.
I'm right here. What should I do? Zach. Even if you know how to do it, pay attention. Yeah. So I'm going to borrow from over here. That 3 becomes a,
Why can't you just do 4 minus 8?
because that's not when I only have 3, you can't flip flop them, otherwise it changes the entire problem.
No.
Okay, just a second. Decario has a question. Now, when you guys get into math later on, and you'll get a problem that says 3 minus 4, they're going to work with you with negative. But you can't just switch it around. Because it's saying, like, let's say I've got 3 pens, and I'm going to give away 4 of them. Can I do that?
No, I can't get you to have 4.
Because I don't have 4. I'm only starting with 3. So when it gives a problem like that, it's just showing us that's what we're starting with. So I'm only starting with 3, unfortunately. I wish I had 4.
You do have 4.
Well, now I do. Okay, well, now I have 4. So 13 minus 4, Wyatt?
9. 9.
Good, and yes, Wyatt, you may. And 5 minus 2, Mary Margaret. Thank you. So 3,969. Okay, who's up for the next one? Okay, I've already called the 3 names, so the top 3 across the row. Someone else's turn. We have to share. Just do your best. No, don't step on any of the things down there. We don't want anyone to fall.
I do.
Alex. We don't want anyone to get hurt. That's not. No one wants to go into a weekend hurt. Okay, if you're not done with the blocks, keep working through them. Double check yours.
Johnny.
Is he correct?
Yeah.
What should the answer be? Anyone have a different idea?
No.
What do you think? You said it was 1,000. I'm sorry, hon, I couldn't hear you. John Ed, what did you do? Luke, don't do that. Ladies and gentlemen. You okay?
Look, throw something.
Are you okay? Can you turn on the nurses?
Very.
Okay, whoever's supposed to come up and do the third one that I called on, please come up and do it.
I'm a boss. Do the Cameron dance.
Turn it to Rose. Let's just do Ladies and gentlemen, you are being very disrespectful to the person at the board. Pay attention.
Push hard. Yeah. Pump it.
Okay, even if you're done, you know what's going on. Should you be talking to your neighbor?
No.
If you are all done and you're not paying attention at the board, write yourself some more problems and do them while the person works up here.
Really?
Yeah, because maybe then you guys won't be so rude to the person at the board. Okay? He's up here showing you what he knows and what he's done. But what about the rest of it? Okay. Okay, so his answer is 55. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Yes, Zach, what's your question? Okay, we're not talking about our football teams, Vicario and Zach. We're talking about math. Lena, do the first one. Haley, do the second one. Will, come and do the third one. But you gotta go it individually. My plan of doing them 3 at a time.
That'd be amazingly cool.
Wait, and they work.
No, you can't even have 2 different dates like that without it getting me angry. Vicario, you should have a pencil out, not a highlighter. Put it away, please.
Stop!
Okay, Lena's got 9,240. Correct or incorrect? Very good. Who's supposed to? Haley, you're the middle one. Okay. Put the highlighter away. Right now, I shouldn't hear anyone talking, and especially talking about things that have nothing to do with math. Put the highlighter away. Excuse me. Okay, do it again, and you're going to go straight down to the office. I've asked you too many times to be working on math and not be doing that. Zach, do you understand? I have the forms right there. We're not going to just deal with little things today. We're doing math. So, unless we're talking about math, we're not talking. Understood? Yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. Okay, so Haley's doing the second to last problem for us.
Push it hard.
Quiet. Okay, to agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. And our last problem up at the board, he's already headed up there. He's already headed up. Oh, another problem that I like.
Use green for Epic.
Okay, you need to stop worrying about it and you need to stop talking. I didn't hear it this time. So, you know what? You gotta stop overreacting and dealing with it the way you are. Dakara, did you say it again? I'm sorry? Why? Okay, well, we'll start with this. You can write yourself up in the conduct minor to start with. Okay, so he got 4,444. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Okay, moving on to homework check. Pull out your homework so I can come and check it, please. Right here, I will check it. Okay, so on your homework, we're going to do it a little bit differently because we need to get actually work done. I would like someone to just read their answer to me. Trinity, read to me the first 6 multiples of 12. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. Very good job. Madison.
60.
Okay. Zach, read the answer to number 2, please. Okay, he got 6,155. Did anyone get anything different?
Yeah.
Jocelyn, what did you get? 3,155, okay? I would have to agree with 3,135. Where's your homework? Where's your homework? Alex, what did you get for number 3, the perimeter?
I got 18.
18
Inches.
18 inches. Agree or disagree?
Agree. That's what I like.
Very good. And the next problem, which is the 4th problem. Let's see. Wyatt, what did you get for the 4th problem? What are your factor pairs?
1 and 18, 2 and 9, 9 and 2, and 18 and 1, and 3 and 6, and 6 and 3.
Prime or composite?
Combo. Composite?
Composite. Very good. Why do you disagree, Judy? He said 3 and 6 and 6 and 3. He said it at the end. Okay, who'd like to give me the answer for the next one? Go ahead, Janet. Oh, you're just going to read it.
6,345 minus 5,624 equals 728. I agree.
Agree, Renee. Agreed. And the final homework problem, Brielle. Read me the whole problem and your answer, please.
Madeline has 4 dogs and Josh has 3 times as many dogs. How many dogs does Josh have? Write the equation. 4 times 3 equals 12. Exactly.
I'd have to agree, and I'd have to agree with the fact that Josh has a lot of dogs at his house.
You think that's a lot? It's like 20 puppies.
Okay, go ahead and clear your homework and your morning work, and we're just going to have a pencil out for our next activity. Okay. Get your stuff put away so that we can talk Decario, put it away now. Decario, not what we're doing. Clear your desk of everything except a pencil.
Magic, this is not what. Quiet.
The worksheet that we've been given is called multiplication comparisons within 100. The title is multiplication comparisons within 100. So that means, I'm guessing, none of our answers should be over 100. So that's a good thing.
No.
They are, I won't really call them, I guess they're miniature story problems because the information is pretty well written out. There's not a huge paragraph though, so it's not a long story. I'll give you an example. The first one, and you can just think it in your head, says the flower store has 36 roses and 6 tulips. How many times more roses do they have than tulips?
Easy. That's easy.
So, without your comments, that's basically what the page is. You've got 12 of those to do. Wyatt? What you're going to do is, by yourself, you're going to do 1 through 12. Then, on the back, you are going to write 2 comparisons on your own. So same type of thing as the question. Once you're done with those, let's say I've got mine done, Alex is done, we're going to switch. So that he's going to answer the 2 comparisons I wrote, and I'm going to answer the 2 comparisons he wrote. So what? Oh yeah, make sure it's in neat handwriting, and make sure you've done it correctly so you're not giving someone a problem that doesn't work out. So, okay, that table over there needs to stop. Cameron, you can stop the video camera because we're just going to be working on these. So go ahead and work on these. And once you have your 2 comparisons done on the back, you can find a partner and switch papers on the backs of them so they can answer what you did.